Hello, this is RICKY, the Android guy. Hey guys, today bringing another accessory review, and this is a really interesting one that I've been interested in. That's the LG Rolly keyboard. So the whole idea behind this is a compact keyboard that rolls out into a more premium quality keyboard. Now, there have been other keyboards similar to this, but this one's supposed to be better quality. So we're going to find out if that's true, but first we have to unbox it. So this goes for about $120, depending on where you buy it from. But that's the whole idea. It takes one AAA battery, and it's supposed to last connected for up to 4 months, and standby time up to 15 months. So really long battery life overall. Let's open this up and see how it is. So we have a user guide and then the actual device itself. So very compact, very small. And then just rolls out. Yep. So it rolls out and then it has an opening over on this side for your tablet or phone. Pull it from that side. And then we have it right away. I wish there was a way to kind of make sure that it stays, but my initial impressions are I don't like that it moves up a little bit, but overall the clickiness is very good. So we will see just how good this Rolly really is. Alright guys, let me know if you would use this for a phone or a tablet, or if you just wouldn't use this at all. Let me know in the comment section down below. This has been RICKY, the Android guy.